Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and this is the Unlimited 10 cordless vacuum cleaner. This model is packed with high-performance tech and flexible features for the ultimate clean. It's also the UK's best premium cordless vacuum for dirt pickup, as it removes 99.9% of dust, even the invisible. And on top of this, it's highly rated, having been awarded a Which Best Buy. With up to 100 minutes of battery life from a single charge, you have plenty of time to give every room a thorough clean. It comes with a rapid charger included, which is 5 times faster at charging, taking only 71 minutes to recharge. And thanks to our Power for All battery system, you can interchange the battery across a number of appliances. When it comes to performance, this model will give your home the deepest clean possible with Bosch's MicroClean technology. It uses sensors to not only pick up dust, but also remove microscopic particles which are invisible to the naked eye. Once all the particles are removed, the blue MicroClean ring on the front will illuminate, letting you know that your floors are not just clean, but micro-clean. If that wasn't enough, there's even more cleaning tech in the floor head with the MicroClean brush. It vacuums on both forward and backward strokes, which helps it pick up coarse dirt and fine dust trapped in the fibres of your carpets, upholstery, and the crevices of your hard floors, parquet or tiles. It's the reason why this model is the UK's best premium cordless vacuum for dirt pickup. There are 6 cleaning modes to choose from, allowing you to tailor the vacuum's performance to various areas in your home and beyond. The modes include Eco, Auto, Turbo, Silent, Car, and Delicate Carpet, each with individual settings to help you achieve the best results. And when it comes to targeting those tricky spots, it's super versatile thanks to the Flex Tube. Just press the release button here, and the tube will bend at a 90-degree angle for easy cleaning underneath low furniture such as sofas and chairs. Nobody likes being the one to empty the bin on their vacuum cleaner. But with the dust compression slider on this model, you won't have to do it as often. It doubles the bin capacity by compressing the collected dirt and dust, cutting the number of times you need to empty it by half, and making the job easier and more hygienic. If you're an allergy sufferer, you'll be able to create a no-sneeze zone with the HEPA Filtration System. It filters up to 99.9% of dust particles and prevents them from being released back into the room, creating a more comfortable and cleaner environment. The interactive display comes with a crystal clear menu that lets you switch between cleaning modes, access user guides, and even watch tutorials effortlessly. So if you're looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner that can give your carpets and hard floors the ultimate clean, and even tackle the dirt you can't see, look no further than the Ultimate 10.